does run. We're gonna do a wait to will start video in the next series. And this is a 61 Power Wagon, factory V8 short bed. I think they built about 200 of these trucks. It runs barely, but we got some plans for it. We're gonna show you. Original paint, we got it out of New Mexico. We put some M55 Toyota traction tires on it with some Ford Steelies. Just very basic kind of classic 4x4 look. So we're gonna get right into the beginning stages of unearthing this beast, and I hope you guys enjoy.
Looks mad.
Oh, Alright, we're gonna make this quick. It's starting to rain. We're gonna bring that dumpster over, empty out the interior. You say there's a skull? Look at this fucking dude. Oh my god. Desert plastic. Holy shit.
I think we need a mask.
Yeah, let's get our mask on.
It's so bad. Oh, I got the floor up. Oh, Brett. What's going on? Oh my god. Look at this. Holy shit. Come on, come on. Come on.
Okay, so the back rack is removed safely. Didn't hit my truck. That's cool. It's kind of sketchy. I'm gonna keep picking away at it. There's this mess of a chain. So I'll show you guys how to braid cable and fix this, because it's done by, you know, someone that didn't know any better. And then I want to take these off. Plasma cut those. I'm gonna gouge the nice farmer welds out. Look at that. Isn't that amazing? Like, I get it, you know, you got to get the job done, but like, dude, like, was this in a windstorm with like flux falling off the rod because it was 80 years old? Like, I don't understand. So I'm gonna try to clean those off nicely. I'm not sure how I'm gonna straighten that out. That's pretty bad. I think this winch will work though. It's really cool. It's got a factory winch. Alright, that should break off. Let's see. Got my hammer. That's how you do it. Yeah, protect your hands, because this will hurt. All right, so we got our pairs. Try to keep them tight on the end, like so. Then you just sit here and you just open it up like this. So I got my 3 and 3 here. Got our rope in the center. I'll just keep pulling that out. It's kind of rotten. This cable's old. Like, if I really wanted to use this winch, I'd replace this cable. So what you need to have is enough that you can you gotta loop it back on itself. It's kind of scary. And you gotta have enough for a tail, so I need more than that. 3, 4. Okay. So that should be enough to loop it. I can always cut it down. I want to loop it as tight as I can get it. The hard part is going to be trying to feed the other piece through. Let's see here. Yeah, I don't know if you can do this with the cable, trying to feed it through a loop. I can't see why not. So I'm just going to place this down at the bottom. And we got to figure out where to start overlapping them. About right there. So you start with the right over the left. I'm going to go a little tighter than that. Okay, I think I got it. Yep, I got it. Okay, so now you gotta hold it, feed it up through, get it set just right. It'll nest itself like that. Try not to stab yourself. Go. So do that. What do you think here? Yep. Okay. So now we got that in. Put that around. That. Okay. Okay, now you can loop these two back together like that. And just twist them right back together. And there you have it. Then what you do is you put your clamps on here. You know, I probably could have made that a little tighter. So you get the point. I'll probably redo this and see if I can get it tighter. And then I'll put my clamps. I'll probably cut that back. Got two nice clamps and the cable. So yeah, pretty cool. So I'm choking on a piece of cilantro. Anyway, I'm finishing off my tacos. We got dash lights, got no headlights. So the first method of diagnosis is the dimmer switch. So we're just gonna come on. I know you wanna. Just gotta fuck with it. I know it wants to. I don't know. Maybe it doesn't. Yeah, it doesn't. Okay. Okay, so we got one working light. Let's try to see if I can get to find a ground. Come on. God, just know these old trucks. Sometimes they're a little bit finicky. Come on. I know you want to. Yeah, it doesn't want to. It doesn't want to do the thing. That's too bad. Maybe there's a wiring problem. Can't imagine that'd be possible. Thanks for tuning in to this first video for Metal by Charlie's YouTube. We will be continuing this series with a first start video of this truck, followed by the build plans.